In this video, I will be talking about a huge Bitcoin signal that currently is flashing, and I will be exactly talk about what this means for Bitcoin, what is next for Bitcoin, and much more. And of course, I will be talking about this insane pump we've got over the course of last night, and I will be exactly discuss what is next for Bitcoin. So don't forget to slap up that like button. Yesterday, we were only one like away before smashing it up to 500 likes. Can we do it on today's update video? That will be absolutely incredible. So don't forget to slap up that like button right now, and let's jump straight away in towards the content. And once looking at Bitcoin, we can straight away see, once we are looking at the trend right here, we finally broke out of this very critical downward sloping trend here on the 1 hour time frame. This trend was established for over an approximately 13 days, and right now we're finally seeing a significant breakthrough of this level. Like we discussed yesterday, we were looking at the price compression. Bitcoin was of course forming lower highs together with higher lows, and due to that fact, I already told everyone yesterday we are about to be having a massive market move, and like you can see, it did finally came, and it is clearly towards the upside. Yesterday I also talked about the market structure and how you could identify which move is probably going to come next, and like I told everyone, as long as we're not going to be breaking below this low right here, I do actually think Bitcoin is going to be quite alright. And if we do break above the previous high right here, what you can clearly see, we broke above, and after we broke above it, we flipped into support, we will start to see a significant uptrend getting established, and that is also exactly what happened. We broke above the previous high on the market, and straight away after, Bitcoin started to be flying, and also we broke above our down sloping resist line, what was the most important level to be watching on the market right now. So honestly, if I do look at the imminent short term on Bitcoin, we are right now finally getting that significant market pump, what makes it of course a very bullish situation. Then also looking at the 4-hourly time frame, yesterday we started to see the downtrend on the 4-hourly time frame getting broken, and more importantly, yesterday first we were seeing a loss of support. We saw a small fake out towards the downside, but still, like I told you yesterday as well, we didn't lose the very important horizontal support, and due to the fact we're holding on towards that level, and also due to the fact that we did clearly broke above the downward sloping resist line, we straight away started to see a significant pump back towards the upside. So actually, if you did open a long position after you saw the downtrend getting broken on Bitcoin here, this could have been a beautiful retest as well, and could have been a trade what would have made you over 7% in profit. So yeah, really once looking at Bitcoin right now, we can currently see, okay, we broke the important 4-hourly downtrend, the price compression was definitely here, and the big move of course happened like we were anticipating. And right now what we can see is of course that Bitcoin broke bullish, and if I do remove all the drawings, I'm going to be looking at the most important levels of support and resistance. We can see this was a major level of previous support, what also significantly provided resistance, and since right now we are breaking above this level, my strategy is going to be of course for me to be once again looking at long positions, and I will be starting to be definitely open a long position if we do have that retest of that approximately level of 19.5k. So definitely I will be very cautious for Bitcoin right now to be opening a long position, since we officially have not broke above the very clear resistance what is on the top side around to 20.5k. However, if we do come down, since we right now are confirming that higher high on the market, I will be definitely loving to be opening a new trade on Bitcoin around that 19.5k target, because I honestly do think that this level will be a significant amount of support for Bitcoin. Further on, if I am looking at the daily time frame right now, we are seeing that on the MACD, Bitcoin is also having a bullish cross. This is definitely a very bullish signal, because historically speaking, once Bitcoin is having such kind of a bullish cross on the MACD, we tend to see bullish price action occur for Bitcoin, just like we saw last time around right here. We saw the bullish cross happen, and on the moment the bullish cross happened, Bitcoin surged towards the upside with over 20%. So actually it can still happen as well right now right here. If you do want to be opening a trade for free, don't forget to check out the highest link in the description, because if you sign up a new account on Bybit, deposit $1,000, you will be able to get a free $1,000 long or short position here on Bybit. So make sure to go to the link in the description right now, and be aware it's only going to be valid for people that actually do sign up a new account using the link in the description right now. Furthermore, if we are looking at Bitcoin on that daily time frame, we can clearly see, we are still holding on towards the most important level of support, but yes, we are getting that small little pump on the lower time frames. However, we are not out of the woods yet, because like you can clearly see, if you do have any idea of a trend on the daily time frame, we are still forming lower highs together with lower lows, what clearly means we're currently still trading in a significant downtrend. And in order for me to be flipping extremely bullish on the higher time frames like the daily time frame, and for me to really expect, okay, we're right now going to see a longer term bullish trend getting established, I need to see a break above the previous high, what is around that 22.3k. So that is definitely also going to be the main level to be watching right now. Yes, Bitcoin is seeing a small little pump right now, but still on the bigger picture, we are still trading in a significant downtrend. Then also a very interesting thing that currently is occurring is the weekly time, because right now, after the last weekly candle close that actually formed a lower low on the market, we are starting to see that the Bitcoin weekly time frame is creating a bullish divergence. Be aware, this is not a confirmed bullish divergence yet, because a bullish divergence will only get confirmed as soon as we do see a green candle close afterwards, and so far it looks to be that we are going to get one. But right now we are forming a higher low on the RSI while the price action is forming a lower low, and a bullish divergence is definitely a very bullish signal on the higher time frames, because also if we're going to be looking at what really happened once Bitcoin was going to be topping in the market, the top on Bitcoin occurred on a bearish divergence while the price action was forming a higher high, the RSI was forming a lower high, and due to that fact we actually topped out here. And right now we're seeing the exact opposite. So on the top side we see a bearish divergence, and right now on the lower side we're starting to see a bullish divergence. So make sure to get ready, because honestly I do feel very bullish about this situation we're currently in here. And yes, I don't expect that Bitcoin is going to go up today, I don't expect Bitcoin is going to go up tomorrow, but make sure that you're going to be ready if there is going to be a next initial move for Bitcoin. Be also aware Bitcoin is still oversold, or is around that oversold area on that weekly RSI, and my strategy right now is to just accumulate as much Bitcoin as I possibly can around this price. And right now I do think that we are trading at a very fair price for accumulating Bitcoin. So my strategy is dollar cost averaging in towards the market every single day, accumulating as much Bitcoin as I possibly can against this price valuation, because I do think personally that it is a very good valuation to be accumulating at, and that is my strategy. So make sure that you're going to be having a strategy as well in this market, because yes, things can change very quickly. So this was it for today's update video. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to slap up that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.